Let's take a look, just the local updates for Avalanche. And it's kind of interesting what's happened recently with Avalanche chain and why and how it's not affect at all the price. Because take a look, this insane metrics. So this is basically whole history, almost whole history of Avalanche chain since 2023 on this chart. The daily active users. So users who use Avalanche C chain for transactions, for the staking, whatever, right? Take a look. It's skyrocketed, just a blast off, just since January 10, almost every single day. It reached the lowest point, I guess, 290K, and even touched 646K daily active users. So it's kind of interesting. It's skyrocketed over than 2,554%. And how and why the price not react at all? Maybe the people use it for staking, or use some protocols, but it's kind of interesting. The Avalanche C chain stablecoin total supplies and grows. It's also good. It's added like 24% since June 25. It's bullish. This is an Avalanche stablecoin transfer. I can't say something extra bullish now. Maybe people not waste the stablecoins now, but the top was over than 10 billion, around 10 billion transactions, transfers. It's kind of interesting, these metrics, and also interesting how this almost over than 500,000 daily users not generate the crazy revenue fee. So only 7K, for example. If we track the February, yesterday, 9K. 10K revenue from the 500,000 daily active users. Of course, I understand that Avalanche is not expensive chain, for transactions. But anyway, it's kind of strange metrics, the crazy volume of the daily active users, small fees generation. If we compare, for example, with this one in Zone 23 or even in Zone 24, this one 500,000 fee, or even here like 77K, 50K, and absolutely total different numbers. So this like an open question, what's going on with the Avalanche chain? Locally, guys, global targets I showed you, so let's focus now on a local one. I wish to see, just to be honest, a sweep of this low. So it's going to be the best option for AVAX, because I'm waiting. The BTC can drop still to 72K and even lower. And the BTC dominance can pump, so I'm waiting that metrics and the targets for the BTC. So that's why I'm no rush with the Avalanche buying on a spot, especially, so my target, you remember, it's around $3-4 for AVAX for the spot. Maybe I will target the AVAX, but for long run, I think everything will be okay with Avalanche in general. So locally, now today at least in 3 days in a row, no new money inflow. Here was some money inflow like January 31 and the February 1st one. So some money inflow, kind of small bounce, but nothing special, And now nothing. So just wait the new money inflow on a daily or 12 time frame at least, because on 12 time frame also no money inflow. So now no new money inflow on 12 time frame, at least on a daily, on AVAX USDT, on a Binance, at least on a Binance. 4 hour time frame also. So it looks kind of annoying chop. So it's like a range 956 and 1029. So less than $1 price range. We are here 4 days. So we trade in this range like 4 days. So it's kind of annoying. That's why I wish to see one more sweep below, because trust me, under this level of October 10, I guess a lot of stop loss. A lot of people who buy in that time and have a chance to fill their orders, to buy, because a lot of orders not triggered and not activated. So maybe they add a stop loss to the break even. Also, a lot of people open it here the long with the second leverage, for example, or here the long with the second leverage. So it would be good to see the third wave down and recover move. I hope it will not drop to the $3 or $4. That's why I don't want to talk about a crazy negative case scenario. So I hope we'll recover back soon. So 12 time frame, here's some type of accumulation in the last days of January, the beginning of February on 12 time frame. And since January 24, we are in accumulation zone based on direction indicator. I wish to see one more drop, accumulation 4 time frame, for example, and this V-shape recover move. So this is my take. If we double check the market mood, of course, it's disbelief on 4 time frame, 12 time frame capitulation, daily time frame capitulation, weekly time frame capitulation, monthly time frame capitulation. So since November 25, we are in the capitulation zone. That's why I think, yes, Avalanche now is so underrated. So it can be the top gainer in this run. Money power I showed you. Trade on and take profit, guys. Take a look. Let's hide the take profit first. Trade on the 4 time frame. This is a signals to buy intraday. This is a sell, take profit, buy. I wish to see another signal to buy. Daily, also we saw the signal buy. And so let's add alerts for maybe another one signal to buy, like confirmation on the daily time frame. So I see a lot of bullish signals. Can we drop much lower to strong signal to buy? It's activated now in real time. All right. Anyway, maybe you need to add the alerts to weekly time frame. The kind of annoying sound from the trading view. So I don't think so. We're going to drop to the $5 like 50% drop from now, but it's possible. It's possible, guys. So I wish to see that drop like 16% to sweep this liquidity pool. So this is what I wish to see. A weekly time frame, we still didn't see the take profit signal. So let's add take profit signal. It's here. It's active, and we still didn't see that alert. That's why, guys, let's track together with the take profit indicator here on 12 time frame and a daily. Here, why I think we're gonna drop it to this liquidity pool, because it's a buy line on 12 time frame. It's gonna be good. 8.44. Maybe I will try to open some long position. Maybe even better to try to open like this one. Maybe with a second leverage. Yes, try some with a more than okay amount of money. I mean not the big one, because I don't want to see that short squeeze or long squeeze like this one. That's why the money management is a key. So even the 15% stop loss like 30 with a second leverage, but with the proper amount of money for that position, I think will be more than okay. With the target like take profit line 123, so with second leverage 250, approximately 250. So 30 against 250, more than okay to try. We already retested till penny the buy line on a daily. That's why I wish to see, guys, with a squeeze down, test 8.99, maybe 8. So I add alerts. Here I'm gonna track it. Weekly time frame, we underrated. So Avalanche so underrated. Take profit line on the weekly now for AVAX is 32.69. So guys, right place in what do you think about AVAX, and what do you think about this situation with the crazy new numbers of daily active users? Why do people start using the AVAX? If you would like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, right? Miriam, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.